Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to edit like Sam Kolder. He's a very famous photographer and traveler. So actually he tries different types of color grading in different circumstances. Like he uses this kind of color grading when he shoots in desert or something like that, and he uses this kind of color grading in case of blue sky or blue sea. So let's see, I'll try this type of color grading today. So let's go to Photoshop, and this is the image. First copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J, and then convert to smart object, and then open it on camera raw filter, and I'm increasing the temperature a little bit. I think around 10 is perfect, and yeah, to decrease the highlights around -25, and shadows I think +15, and +15 for black also. Then I want to increase the vibrance a little bit, around 10, and just 5 for the saturation. Then go to the curves, and I am select a red and create a point, and in the first point I am giving input 38 and output 8. And in the second point I am giving input 56 and output 23. Now create another point, that's good. I'm giving input 107 and output 112. And the last point, I'm giving input 172 and output 206. Then select green, for the first point I'm giving input 35 and output 8. And input 56 and output 25. And the third point, here I am giving input 105 and output 115. And the last point, I am giving input 169 and output 205. And then come to blue, and for the first point I am giving input 48 and output 29. And now I am giving input 103 and output 117. Create another point and input 173 and output 204. And the last point, I am giving input 255 and output 244, just like this. And then come into sharpening tool and add some sharpness. I am giving 40 here and radius 1.2, that's fine. and come to noise reduction, and I am giving 25 for color. Then come into HSL adjustment layer and select hue, and I'm giving 76 for red, and -12 for orange, and -70 for yellow, and -29 for green, and -31 for blues. And then -55 for purple, and 15 for magenta. Then go to saturation and -68 for red. Then I'm giving -11 for yellow, -67 for green, then -57 for aqua, and -67 for blues. Then -75 for purple, and 78 for magenta. That looks good. Then go to luminance, -20 for red, and -5 for orange, then -25 for green, -15 for aqua, and -30 for blue. Then -5 for purple, and -15 for magenta. That's good. Then go to split toning, and in the highlight section I am giving 275. That's it. Then if you want, you can add some grain to it. Yeah, that's good. Then go to camera calibration. Here I am giving -5, and in the red primary I'm giving 10 for hue and 10 for saturation. Then go to green primary, and here I am giving 10 for hue and -30 in saturation. So I think it looks fine. Look at this. I think it's good. Now press OK. So look at this. This is the before and this is the after. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.